Welcome everyone back to the Loan for Cards YouTube channel. We are doing a basic tutorial on how to watch TikToks in reverse. There's a lot of videos out there that asks you to watch it in reverse. I'm going to show you how to do this. So when you see a video that requires to watch in reverse, click on the arrow key, that's just a share arrow key, and then click on the duet. And once you hit the duet, hit the 0.3x on the very left so you can speed it up, and then hit record on the button. And once that's done, you do is click on the effects button in the lower left hand corner, and then click on the time on the lower right hand corner and click on reverse. And this is going to start to process the video in reverse. Then you can actually watch the actual video in reverse. Alright, here's another video that I'm going to show you. We're going to watch the whole clip here of the reverse video. Alright, so when you get this, you click on the share button, and then this one, you're not going to be able to do the duet, so you have to save video. And this is the only way to do it because people don't do the duets, and then you're not able to do it the way that I showed you the first step. So this is the second step of how to save it. So once you save your video, it's going to be on your phone. Then just open up TikTok and then click on the upload button, how you would upload a video. Then once you upload it, go to the next button, and then you want to click on the effects, and then go to time in the lower right hand corner, the same thing as we did before, and hit reverse. And then it's gonna convert the video to reverse, so now you can actually watch the video in reverse. And here's the video of that in reverse. Alright, so that is pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, please hit the like, hit the subscribe. Also, I do have a TikTok. Check it out at Loan for Cards. And that's it. You guys stay safe out there. See you guys next time. Peace out.